So now let's talk about Neat Center. Neat Center is Neat's center of room companion device that pairs with the main room device, whether that's a Neat Bar, Neat Bar Pro, one of Neat's board devices. And what it does is it gives a second aspect of the room, both audio and video, with its built-in microphones and built-in cameras, to always capture the people that are sitting at the table, no matter where they're looking. They might be looking at each other, they might be looking at the screen at the front of the room, but we're always going to catch the best aspect of where they are, so the people on the far end always feel like they're sitting at the table with them. We've got these two nice little white seals here on the bottom. Let's just take those off, just like that. And now we just pop it open. And there it is, Neat Center. But we've got some more accessories in the box as well, right here in the base. So first we have our Ethernet cable. This Ethernet cable allows you to mount the device in a couple different ways, which I'll talk about in a second. Neat Center is also a PoE device, so if you have PoE, power over Ethernet, on your network, you can just plug it right in and it'll power right up. We also have our warranty information. And finally, we have our mounting adapter, which allows you to mount Neat Center from the ceiling. So you can mount it on the table just like this, just set it down on the tabletop, but you can also mount it upside down from the ceiling if you want to keep the table clean and you want to get it out of the way. This allows you to do that ceiling mounting as well.